लड़कों का क्या सिर्फ 3 क्राइटेरिया होना चाहिए. Good looks, good looks, good looks.
That's it. Religion, no bar.
Ooh, easy there.
Oh, that's these people.
I'm a cool mom.
I'm not a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. Okay.
So not like a regular mom, I'm a cool mom.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today again, I have my mom here because you guys really like her on my channel. So I'm using her for content. In today's video, we are going to my mom is going to be answering questions that kids are afraid to ask their Indian parents.
God.
Yeah.
Scary.
Or kids are afraid to ask their Indian mothers basically. So I consider my mom a very cool mom, and I think she'll be able to answer all these questions that you guys have sent me on Instagram.
I want to know who sent.
No,
also.
that's a secret that's a secret. So there are really fun questions here, and a few of them are a little explicit and few of them are really nice. Also, the lighting thoda might keep changing because we're sitting right under the sun. Not under the sun, but like we're sitting close to the sun and the sun's like hitting our face and it's golden hour. So ignore the lighting. Okay. So what kind of questions are you expecting today?
I'm definitely I'm expecting questions like boyfriends and relations.
That's right. Because that's actually what kids are afraid to ask their Indian moms.
Please.
And I'm pretty sure many kids want to know their mom's opinions, but they can't ask because they're scared.
After this, all the moms are going to like.
Probably. I'm not asking in any particular order. I'm just asking as I've received them. So it might go up.
I'm so tensed.
Don't be tense. It's just basic. Like I want your honest opinion. I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't to give honest opinion.
Yeah, honest opinion. You don't have to like pretend to like something.
Disclaimer like is कहानी का कोई
no relation to real life event.
Shoot.
First question. Starting it with a bang. Literally. What would you do if you walk in on Angel or you walk in on me with a guy in my room? Like what would you do if you walk in on me with a guy in the room?
It's okay. He will दरवाजे से आएगा ना. So I'll know he's come.
No, what if I've snuck him in and you don't know there's a guy in my room and you come in and you see me with a guy in the room doing something, and then what will be your reaction?
So what? I'll say hi.
Really?
Hello. And yeah, you should not. I'll see you. I'm walking into the room. You are with the guy.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? तुम लोग बातें कर रहे हो.
बातें कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
That's the hope. But what if हम बातें नहीं कर रहे हैं? What if something else is going on and you catch me like red-handed with a boy? What will be your honest reaction?
You'll call
my father?
Yeah, I'll call your father.
Go on.
See, that's what I'm going to do in my situation. I'm going to call your father first, and then I'm like, क्या हो रहा है ये? Huh? How dare you?
Oh, film me.
No, that will be my reaction. I'm like, क्या? No, out. निकलो मेरे घर से.
Okay, ठीक है. Acceptable that
sure.
is, because I mean, I would expect her to react like that. I wouldn't expect her to be like, "Hello, hi, beta," you know? Yeah, can't. She can't be that Mean Girls wala mom. If you know the reference, then you know it.
I see.
Yeah.
You guys need anything? Some snacks? A condom? Let me know. Oh, God love you.
Your thoughts on if I was in a serious relationship, how would you advise me? Like, how would you want me to go about it? What would your advice be if I was in a serious relationship?
First, just be friends, you know, good friends.
That's what she always does.
Yes, and always be yourself. You don't have to pretend what you're not. Basically, yeah. And secondly, don't take any shit from
Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
So be yourself. Be true in that relation, and also be good friends and be somebody who can with whom you can be honest with your feelings. Be it any crap, like, you know, you can talk and laugh, and that's how it should be.
Basically, be best friends with your
best friend. It helps. It works love wonders.
What according to you is a toxic relationship? And the second part of the question is how do you get out of a toxic relationship? First start with what you think is a toxic relationship.
Toxic relationship. ये कर, वो कर, ये कर, do this, do that.
ये मत कर, वो
Don't do
मत
this,
पहन.
don't do that. You have your, you cannot chat with this person, that person. Chat, गोली मार ऐसे. That is not a relation.
True,
That
true,
is not
true.
a. It is
100%.
really toxic. इतना suffocating it is.
100%.
Yeah, and what is that to how to get out? Just leave. बहुत मिलेंगे यार. What is it?
True.
Somebody who is a good friend, as I told you. So ठीक है. No, not to keep any kind of bond.
Yeah.
A good friend.
Okay, I'm just gonna pop in here real quick, and I just realized while editing that the lighting is bad, and please just bear with it. It's just bad. I know. I just looked at it, and there are parts where the sun is literally on our heads, and I'm never filming in this setup ever again. At least when it's so sunny. So please bear with it.
Nice questions.
Yeah, na? Now wait. How would you basically react if you get to know that either me or Angel, one of us, are like bisexual or we're gay or we're not straight, basically? How would you react? Like if I come to you one day and I'm like, Mom, I'm bi or I'm gay, how would you react? Or if Angel came to you and said it?
See, I always said I'm not against the society of whatever this thing is, but obviously I will not say कि come on, change yourself, and
You won't make me.
I will not say that pray, oh God, इसको वहाँ से इसमें से हटा दो, and try to remove you,
brainwash me from
yeah.
not being okay.
So, but I'll also help you, and I'll pray to God कि
Whatever it is, it should be right.
no, not that. I'll pray to God that you get the tolerance from, like, you're going to face this world for simply being
that's
what you
good.
are. So
That's a nice thing to say. Yeah.
So maybe I don't know how I'll react to it that time. Of course, I won't be very happy, like, but then
It'll be a shock to you.
it
for
will
sure.
be a total shock to me. Like I said, I'm not against them.
But in
it
the
will take time
But
for
in the
me
beginning, you
also
won't be.
to-
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But that is a good advice. Not advice. Like that's a good thing. Like you'd pray for me
Yeah,
to get tolerance
I'll
to face
tell
the
you.
society for
Yeah,
just
that's-
being myself.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's wise, I must say.
What questions are? Tell me the
So
names.
one's a very frustrated. I think someone's very frustrated, and they're asking why do Indian moms always keep comparing their kids to other kids?
Hey,
But
it's not-
see, I'll tell you one thing. At least in my house, that's not the case. Like I've never been compared touchwood to anyone. So, but like, why do you think
Everybody-
Indian parents do that? Why do you think they compare
It
their
is,
kids to?
you will.
And do you
limit-
think it's right? Firstly,
It is not that we are comparing you. It's like, okay, I see her, she's doing her studies, whatever studies, taking care of her health, she's exercising and she's looking good. So I would like to put that in my child. I just follow a little bit discipline. But then you guys take it as compare kar rahi hai, just because she is.
no, but some
parents do
are
compare.
thoda zyada.
That's
like they
mean.
just
That's mean because I feel all people are different.
Yeah,
Everybody is not the
definitely.
same. But I can definitely try to help you out, saying कि कुछ तो कर लो, like see how she's doing. But okay, comparing on you.
नहीं, but ऐसा
But I won't
comparing नहीं. But
compare
what
that-
they are talking about is comparing. हर
No,
बात पे
that
दूसरे
is
की
wrong. You should not.
तुझे दे
Everywhere.
कितना मिला, उसको दे कितना
नहीं,
मिला.
नहीं, that
like
is wrong. That is
academically
wrong.
comparing.
Academically, if my child is academically good, that child may not be academic. She might be good in something else.
Correct.
So that's not right. Parents,
yeah.
don't compare your kids. Everybody
Listen
is
to her.
different.
She's a wise woman. What age do you consider appropriate for kids to date? Like me also, but anyone. Like what age do you think is appropriate?
There's appropriate age. I mean, now to everybody has a thing like boyfriend and thing. There's age when you have actually sense of taking care of yourself. And I would say just see that person as a friend. Why do you want to tag it like in a relation? Just be good friends, and later on there will be a time you will get that thing, like you pata chal jayega ki he's a guy. So just be.
So there's no age you're saying, but like obviously,
But obviously there should be, like, if you're in school and all, you please be like, just be free. Like you have to study, you have to do so many things. So just be totally into that. Just have fun, and then maybe afterwards you can, like, you know, it'll just happen.
Okay.
Let not wait ki okay, now I'm in college, so I need some boyfriend.
Correct.
Please.
That's correct. Okay. Very funny question.
Thank God.
Extremely hot guy but poor, or extremely ugly guy or extremely rich guy who looks like a toenail.
So totally.
Toenail, like imagine like a filthy toenail, like he looks like that but is hella rich, or is good looking.
It
but
all
is
depends
poor.
on each one's mindset.
What would you want for me? Like if I come to you with a rich guy but he's ugly looking.
Ugly looking. Nobody's ugly, first of all. Nobody's ugly. 1 minute.
Okay.
It's like, he might not be rich now. He can be rich later on. So you better see that if he's
So
got
basically,
good looks, little bit average looks, and he's better educated, so he can feed you well.
Okay.
And like, you know, take care of his family. So don't judge him so much ke she bhikari dikhta hai to wo bhikari hai, aisa nahi. An
but
average
what
amount.
if there's a guy, okay, there's a guy, this guy is extremely rich but he looks like shit, but there's another guy who's hella poor but he looks so good.
Yeah, so then,
what would you choose for me? Money or looks, basically?
It depends whom you fall in love. What if you fall in love with this chikna, like handsome guy, and then you'll say that he's got no money. So theek hai na, we'll make money.
Oh, basically looks over money.
No,
Correct.
wait, I didn't say that. I'm saying looks can always be deceiving.
Oh yeah, correct.
Understood.
Another funny but like thoda tension wala for you. What age do you consider is appropriate to do the naughty?
Naughty. I told you will get that this.
But what age do you think is appropriate?
There is no
Like अगर
age.
15 साल में if I come and tell you that
15 साल में- I told you 15 साल and you're in school, so please don't think about all those things. And you know, some have this thing in their head that if I don't do that, I will not get a good boy. It's not like that. So you have to be in a relationship. Wait. Seedha, just don't go and jump into all these things. And you better lose your virginity to somebody who is actually worth it. Please don't let anybody, what do you say, comments.
Yeah.
You should not allow it to just happen. It's something special, at least for our Indian, we think we have our morals, whatever. So there's no age as such, like, you know.
Do it with the right person.
Sensibly enough to do it something. It's something very pure and
Very beautiful, actually.
Yeah,
So
you should not
do it with the right person.
Yeah, do it with the right person, and you should feel good, and that's it.
Okay. How do you feel about intercaste love and marriages?
It's okay as long as you know that the person respects you and loves you for whatever you are whatever religion, and religion should not come in the middle. It's okay, you can always
Yay!
follow. Really?
All guys can hit me up now. Religion, no
Boys
bar.
exercise like that. Ooh, nice, see there.
Oh, that's these people. Never
cool mom.
mind.
I'm a cool mom.
I'm not a regular mom. I'm a cool mom. Okay,
It's not like a regular mom. I'm a cool mom.
one last.
Okay, finally.
Last question. What would be your reaction if I came and told you that I've lost my virginity, and would you want me to come and tell you that I've lost my virginity?
I
If
would
do?
like to know you've lost your virginity to a good person, somebody worth it. Please, gradually you will lose it. It's like, I'm not going to say कि नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. But then when you lose your virginity, I told you, you have to have that
If you have first sense.
sense to whom you're losing it. भी कोई जाके नहीं होना चाहिए.
I think we're done
I
with today's
hope
questions,
I
and you
have-
were fabulous. I must say that. I'm
Please
very
comment
proud.
about me.
Yeah,
alone.
please say good things about her, because she was very nervous for this video. Let me tell you, she was like, nahi, nahi,
I was
nahi.
like, not today.
Yeah, not today. I had to send her like 1 ghante se I'm telling her, get ready.
I'm just scared because all the other moms are also going to listen to this.
It's okay, you've given proper advice.
Yeah, so I'm
and this
giving
advice
you
is appropriate for everyone, but also know that if your mom's not okay with anything that she's told, please don't do
Please
it.
don't
Please
comment.
don't do it.
Don't comment.
Please
Call
don't
me.
do it.
Call me.
So yeah.
And this is basically only my views. So
yeah,
I'm
this
not
is our
saying
opinion. It doesn't mean that your mom has the same opinion. So, but this is what my Indian mom thinks about these questions. So, if you guys like today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see her more on my YouTube channel, then let me down below know.
Wow.
Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.